Hello everyone, I'm Sadhya, working as a assistant professor from SNS College of Technology. Today we are discussing about in seminar on binary search. Thank you. Hello everyone, I'm Nakshi from Computer Science and Technology Department. Today my topic is about the binary search. Using binary search, how we are going to find out the target number in the given array. So this is the given array with one seven with the length of 7. So we are going to find the number 6 which is present in this binary which is present in this array. So to find the position of the 6 we are using binary search. So binary search approach is the divide and conquer approach, which divides the array into half and searches accordingly. So we are creating the binary BS the name. This is the function we have created, and in this function we assign parameter called array and the target. After we are going to pass the value in the main. Then here the array value is given as 2, 4, 6, 9, 11, 12, and 3. It will be passed inside this, and the target value is 3. So when this statement executes, it goes to this function and start executing these steps. So to find out this, we are considering start is equal to 0 and end is equal to array of length. So this is start. So we are considering this as a 0 and end is equal to length minus 1. So length is 7, so it is 6. Array length is so when the start is less than or equal to n, then alone we have to execute these operations inside this while loop. To find out the mid, we are using this formula start plus n minus start divided by 2. This does not cause an overflow. But most of them we use mid is equal to start plus n by 2. This causes an overflow because you can only store up to 20 lakhs something, but by adding the start and end, it may cause the int overflow. Int cannot store larger numbers, so we are using this formula to calculate the mid. If the array of mid element is equal to the target, so after dividing, we get the mid element is equal to something. Here the start is 0 and the end is 7 minus start is 0 divided by 2. 7 by 2 is 3.5. So we are taking the integer part. So array of 3. Third position 0 1. Third position we have 9. So the mid element is not equal to the target. Then we are moving to the if else. Then saying array of third position. Array of third position is 9. 9 is less than target. No, it is not less than target. It is greater. So we are moving to this array of mid. 9 is greater than the target 6. So we are using n is equal to mid minus 1. What is the n? 6. So this n moves to this is mid, right? So mid 3. So mid moves to here. N moves to here. So we are executing. We are executing until we find the target element. If nothing matches by applying this formula, we has to return -1 because -1 is not the position. We are mentioning position from the natural numbers 1. So whole number 0 from 0. So -1 does not consider as a position, so we are returning -1. Okay, now I ask a question for you. What is binary search complexity? The complexity of binary search is n bito of n log so because this search is by dividing the array by 2, so it reduces the time and space difference. Then how do you compare the linear search and binary search? Now, linear search goes by searching linear sequential order by checking each element to the target, but binary search
divides the array and compacts the mid element with the tag. So by this we don't need to search the unnecessary elements in it. So the complexity also, for by using binary search, the time space for increases, but not to linear search. Linear search has n big of n time.